Okay, so I haven't made a video in a while. It's real dark in here because it's like 5 in the morning. A lot of stuff's been going on. But, we have another hurricane on the way. Hurricane Zeta. Of course, it won't be a full hurricane when it gets here. But, we're under a tropical storm watch. So that should be interesting. I just hope we don't get no more trees down with this. The trees that came down with Sally was just terrible. Mess everywhere. And I mean, where I'm at, I'm pretty good ways inland, so it was kind of shocking. I don't know what else to say, really. I've got a bunch of Halloween decorations up. And if the wind gets rough, at this point, I'm just going to leave them up. I'm not even going to try to take them down. It doesn't seem worth it. But besides that, that's pretty much it. Of course, if it gets rough, I'll film it. If you want, you can follow my Instagram. It's weatherfreak_66. So, that's pretty much it. Wait, never mind, that's my old one. The new one is just weatherfreak. Yeah, I don't have much else to say. Yes, I hope everyone's doing good.